Shit. That's apa kena? Oh shit. Tuh kan? Hey, come on. Still have, Pak. Pak, Pak. Oh shit. Pak, ini sembrono.
Oh my god, that was really happening. It's took on our holidays last time in Indonesia. Like as usual, we bought the fireworks, firecrackers, which is in Indonesia are still legal to buy that. But I saw that this year the government and also police already said to us to warn us to better not to play with the fireworks. But of course we still wanted to have fun with it, and which is quite interesting. But this year it was fatally like there is the malfunction of kind of fail of kind of like goes wrong, whatever. It was like we didn't even expected that, because the last year it was just fine. It's like there's nothing happened, but this time it was like 3 times accidents. Like you can see from the 3 videos, it was 3 videos actually, and it's the 2 videos it was like happened to my brother, and I will show you this video. It's happened to my oldest brother, and it's like unpredictable. It's like stuck. It's like just don't shoot, and I was like, oh my god, my mom was freaked out, my sister was freaked out, and she was like, okay, I went home, I don't want to be here, it's less crazy. If you guys want to be crazy, just be crazy by yourself. And so let's take a look again the video.
Oh shit. That's apa kena? Oh shit. Tuh kan?
Well, even when right now when I'm watching that videos again, I'm I'm freaked out. I'm so scared. It's just so real, so near, and the sounds of the explosion, and like, oh my god, it's really like a war. And I'm just not like, I already tell to my families, and I'm telling to my brother that really no, next time I will not play with this kind of things anymore, because it's really too dangerous, and we are not supposed to play with that. And also here I will show you another video that is like it's happened to my husband, and I will tell you what's going on, like what is really going on with that, and it's like another stories. So take a look at this another video. Yeah, well, the story was like my husband is not really having an experience about the fireworks kind of things. Like we've been, I think if I remember the last time that we played, before the Indonesia, we played here in Macau, which is like we allowed to play the fireworks during the Chinese New Year, which is like around the corner right now. It's like it's coming up, so we can play the fireworks in a place like they already give us the area that we can play with the kind of the safeties and whatsoever, and it's quite expensive. And the one that we tried before was the one with like a rocket. Like you just burn the down part, and then it just like shoot the whole of the whole fires works, like the firecrackers or whatever. It just shoot to the sky. And then what's happened right now is like it's different kind of fireworks that's about. It was shoot to the sky, and we have the number actually right down on that, like 8 number, so it's me like having 8 shoots, so 8 shots. And then what is happening to my husband, because he don't really aware or like don't give attention. The first he was like turn on the fire like all the way around, so like upside down. So what is happening? Like my brothers, everybody like screaming at him, like Lorenzo, Lorenzo, it's all the way around. It's wrong. That's wrong. So imagine if that fire it just shoot to his properties. Like, hello, excuse me, it's burn. It's gonna hurt. I mean, it's not a joke. It's gotta be hurt. I mean, yeah, it's fire. And then like okay, and then he's just like whatever, and then he just like turn it up, and it will like shoot. And the problem is he didn't know that this firework is supposed to be 8 shots, having us 8 shots. So what's happened is like after the first shot, it's like taking like a little bit time to wait to get another shot, and he was thinking that it's already done, it's already finished. So what he did is just throw the fireworks just nearby me, like which is I was carrying my daughter Alzira, and I was like, oh my god, that's so scary. I was like, are you crazy? It's not only scary, I was so angry, I was so mad. Like, how come he did it to me? I was like, how come he did it to me? Like, I was speaking in Indonesian language. I was like, oh my god, you're so crazy. Like, oh my god, it's like, yeah, it's really tension. So yeah, well, but then because we still had the big one. I mean, the jumbo size of the fireworks, and I was like telling to my husband, telling my brothers, you don't be kidding to hold that. It's just too strong. The force before the shoot is just like too strong, and then I don't want to take a risk of that. And we're trying to try to make an idea, just like tied up to something, and we just found a water pipe that's, yeah, fortunately we have around the house, and it just, yeah, tied it up.
More in the back pa. More sa friend.
Oh.
Shit. Amor, be careful pa. Yay. Whoa. Whoa. Cheers. Gitu. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Sama-sama pegang. Happy New Year. Oh shit. Oh. Happy New Year. Wow. Ayo, Mon. Come on. Shit.
When it gets all the way down, nothing happens. And you can see we just burn it like with that, but I still feel like so scared. I even freak out. You can see like I was like, oh shit, oh happy new year, but like, oh shit, I'm so scared, like shit, like yeah. well, but it's quite an experience. We learned a lot. I hope it will be like our last time to play that stuff. Well, in this point, I was like telling to everybody, like maybe this is like, yeah, I know it's gonna be like the last time we're gonna play that, and I was like making an idea, like why we just buy the trumpet. The trumpet is just a good idea. That makes sounds and that's loud.
Lakukan suara nih.
Bantera.
Kena. Come on, come on.
Yeah, just buy the trumpet, just like my daughter, like my two daughters, and one of my niece. The three of them already make such a huge sounds. Like imagine if all of us having a trumpet and then making a noise, and then just happy, right? It's just the same. We made a noise, whatsoever. So yeah, I mean, please. This message is just said, please don't play the fireworks, or we just watch the fireworks on TV, or just like the distance on everything. But my people, Indonesian people, I love you so much, but please, 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 we tried. I think the police was I think they are. I'm so agree with the police, with the government who said that we are not supposed, or we are not allowed or prohibited to play that. So it's already happens for so many people, like so many people that I can see, like so many people that it's happened a real, like real to me, like real one. So thank you for watching. I hope this is useful for you guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.